Hi kids, how are you? This is the phonics class, so pay attention. We're doing page 63, 64, and 65. So pay attention. On page 63, you're going to see that you have a S, a ED, and an ING. Here you have the word cook. So when you wear cook, you just have to add an S. That means cooks. If you have cook, here it's cooked. And here you add cook and ing, don't cooking. You could see on the board, you could see it clearly, it's cooked, cooked, cooking. You do the same thing for all the other ones. From 9 to 24, here you could see you have walks. You have to take off the S. If you have a S, a ED, or an ING, that is your base word. So if you take off the S, you write on the line, walk. Here you have covered. So you write cover. So that's page 63. You do the same for everything on page, up to 24. If you go to the next page, here it's a little bit more complicated. You need to pay attention. If you look at the board, you'll have to write on the line, if you hear at the end of the word a D, like learned, the. Number 2 is heaped, t. And number 3 is squirted. So you write ED. So on the line, remember, learned, heaped, and squirted. Don't write the whole word. You write a D, a T, or a ED. So I'm going to pronounce, I just gave you 1, 2, 3. I'm going to say the words from 4 to 16. Walked, walked, shirked, shirked, fixed, fixed. 7. Served, served. 8. Scalded, scalded. 9. Called, called. 10. Rushed, rushed, rushed. 11. Carted, carted. 12. Asked, asked. 13. Planted, planted. 14. Finished, finished. 15. Turned, turned. 16. Searched, searched. 17. Hunted. And 18. Handed. Okay, from 19 to 23, you need to read the sentences and choose the word. So last summer, we tripped to California, we climbed to California, or we traveled to California. Be logical. After that, when we go to the next page, you will see you have to circle the words with ER. Usually that means compare to. And EST is you compare more. I will repeat. ER is, usually you see the word than. I'll show it. Than, you compare two. All words with ER and EST. ER, you see the word than. It compares two things. EST, you compare more than one. So from 1 to 9 on page 65, you need to circle the words that end with EST, that compare. Be careful. Sometimes you could see winter. Winter is not a word. You could have smaller or biggest. So be careful. After that, if you have clear, if you have ER, you write clear, ver, and EST. Clearest. You could see here, clearer, clearest. You do the same thing for all the other ones. You have dark. You write dark and you add ER. You write dark and you add EST. And here, remember, you have to circle the words that have a ER or a EST. So be careful, okay? So that's it. Bye.